Hello everybody, welcome back to ACE SAT, and today we're solving two SAT math questions from the official College Board Educator question bank. These ones with question ID f224df07 and question ID 3008 CFC3. So for the first question, a cargo helicopter delivers only 100-pound packages and 120-pound packages. For each delivery trip, the helicopter must carry at least 10 packages, and the total weight of the packages can be at most 1,100 pounds. What is the maximum number of 120-pound packages that the helicopter can carry per trip? So right off the bat, I want you guys to take into consideration that we can put this in perspective as a formula. So we take A as the number of 120-pound packages and B as the number of 200-pound packages. So it gives us the formula 120A plus 100B has to be smaller than 1,100 because it can carry at most, or the helicopter can carry at most 1,100 pounds. So we can also say that A plus B is bigger than or equal to 10 because we know that the helicopter must carry at least 10 packages. So in the scenario that B is bigger than or equal to 10 minus A, we know that that is the minimum number of 100-pound packages. By extension, that is going to be the maximum number of 120-pound packages by pure logic. Therefore, if we input the formula of 10 minus A into our bigger formula, we have 120A plus 100B in parentheses of 10 minus A is smaller than 1,100. We have 120A plus 100B, or plus 1000 minus 100A is smaller than or equal to 1100, just from rearranging, and then getting 20A is smaller than or equal to 100, and A is smaller than or equal to 5. If we get the equation A is smaller than or equal to 5, we know that A can at most be 5, and therefore A is the maximum number of 120-pound packages. Therefore, here D is our answer, or sorry, C is our answer, and we are pretty confident about it. In this question specifically, I think that should be 3 stars. This question is a tad more difficult than reciprocal kind of equation questions, but this is, I think, a 3-star difficulty question. But regardless, it still has a simple kind of procedure, so maybe they took that into consideration. But I find this question a bit too difficult for a 2-star, so I guess the College Board are being a bit harsh on this. But for the second question, we're given a table. So in this table, sorry, I'm just going to make this a bit bigger so you guys can see a bit better. We have x, we have a coordinate k13 and coordinates k plus 7 minus 15. So over here. So first, we are given a table with the coordinates of 2 points on the line in the xy plane. The y-intercept of the plane or of the line is k minus 5 b. So k minus 5 is x and b as y, where k and b are constant. What is the value of b? So immediately we know that at the y-intercept, x is equal to 0. Therefore, k minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, k has to be equal to 5. So I'll just put that aside for now, but you guys remember it. So this is a straight line or simplified straight line equation. So I want to find the gradient first. So that is going to give me 13 minus 5. So just recopy the 2 points here onto the answering sheet. And 13 minus 5, so y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So k minus, in parentheses, k plus 7. That gives me 28 over minus 7, which gives me minus 4. Here we're given, so here, that makes my m equal minus 4, so y equals minus 4x plus c. So here we're given that the y-intercept is k minus 5b, or k minus 5b, yeah. So which corresponds to 0, c, because c would be my y-intercept, so b is equal to c over here. But, okay. which corresponds to 0c. So k minus 5 equals 0 and k equals 5. So we can substitute k13. So we can substitute any single point on the line into the straight line equation to find c to find c. So we can substitute k13 into y equals minus 4x plus c. So 13 equals minus 4k plus c. So 13 plus 4k equals c. So k, as I've told you, we found k equals 5. So 13 plus 4 in parentheses 5 equals c. So 13 plus 20 equals 33, which is equal to c. Pretty lengthy, but regardless, that is the answer. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Please do leave a like and subscribe to the video just to show your support. And I'll see you guys next time, I guess.